our goal is to create public awareness that engaging in community-based drug rehabilitation programs or counseling or even in-house rehabilitation programs could never be enough. Hindi po talaga, as I have seen for myself with the case of Julius, hindi po talaga enough na pabayaan lang natin sila na makomplete yung counseling, community-based drug rehabilitation program, or yung even the in-house drug rehabilitation program. It's never enough, no? Now, we would also want to call to the national government to institutionalize livelihood programs nationwide and to help local governments institutionalize the same and for our drug offenders. And we will call on Congress to enact laws to help livelihood for drug offenders. Sabi nga po ni Dr. Gina Hedchanova, she is the one who, alam po to nila Dr. Bonalos, Alma Galvez of the Manila Anti-Drug Abuse Office. She's from the Ateneo University. She's the one who came up with the KKDK. It is a livelihood community-based program, rehabilitation program. And she said, it takes a village. And it takes a village to change one man. And we are the village. We have to be involved and help our drug offenders to rebuild their lives and be reintegrated back as productive members of society.